If you need a brand new home in Summerlin Grand Park that actually has a bedroom and full bath on the main floor for your guests or your home office, you have to see this TriPointe beauty. Remote work is here to stay, but houses aren't designed for it. Most buyers are forced to use a bedroom next to the laundry room. This layout offers a private first floor wing for total focus. This home has just over 2,500 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, a loft, and it's ready for move-in today. Let's go take a look. When you come in, you are stepping right into the open concept of the great room. It has the electric fireplace, which I really love. One of my favorite features is literally the outlet on the floor. I don't know if you've ever redone any remodeling, but getting an outlet on the floor has to come from start. So I love that, so you can hide any cords. And then you have 2 tones on your cabinets. The kitchen island is gonna have a really good dark kind of wood, and then you're gonna have the white contrast. I really love the gold hardware that's on it. It adds a lot. You have GE appliances. This is the cafe line. So you're gonna have your 6 burners. You have the under cabinet lighting with the backsplash of the quartz countertops that go all the way up. And then you're gonna have, again, a GE cafe dishwasher. And then the accents of the gold hardware. This is your oven built into the wall, and then you're gonna have your microwave, which is fancy and digital. You have to see the walk-in pantry. So this is a really great area. We would probably have it set up for a bar. But walking in, you have great shelving and a full walk-in pantry. So if you're an organized, detailed person, this is a pantry that I love. All right, let's go take a look at the downstairs bedroom, because that is one of the highlights of this home. This is gonna be your dining area. I would probably add like a little light to go there, but you can have the perfect size dining table, which overlooks the backyard, which we'll check out in a minute. And then this is your entry coming in from the garage. So the garage is on the back side, which faces east, and then you're gonna have your front door on the west. So that's coming in directly from the garage. Okay, this is the second wing. This is gonna be the downstairs bedroom, which again has lots of windows for the natural light. And then you're gonna have a bypass closet door. This would be perfect for visitors or for a home office. And then this is gonna be a bathroom with a shower. Again, you're gonna have high-end hardware. That's real, the dark, which I love. And then high cabinets. And then just a little walk-in closet here. You can make this a playroom. If you have kids, they can hide all their toys down there. Okay, let's go take a look upstairs. You're gonna have the luxury vinyl planking flooring on the stairs as well as upstairs that matches the downstairs. This is gonna be your loft area, which has a outdoor patio. This is gonna be the way the sun sets. So depending on what they build, you're gonna have a view of the mountains, and you'll be able to watch the sunset in the afternoon as the sun goes down. This is the money shot for Grand Park. Okay, what I love about the upstairs is there's 2 separate wings. So you're gonna have the primary bedroom on the right, and leading into that you have your laundry room, which is upstairs. Lots of good space. You could add some cabinetry or some hanging rods, and then you also have a storage closet. And then this is the primary bedroom. I love the walk-in closet in this primary bedroom. So it's the perfect size. It literally will fit everything you need. And then you have space in your closet that I would say you could have a custom closet company come in and add drawers and different things like that to really maximize. And then the view you're gonna have from the strip, you'll be able to see that from the primary bedroom. And all those houses are built, so you are guaranteed that strip view. And then we'll look at the bathroom. You have your toilet, closet, so you'll be able to shut the door, and then double sinks with the lighting underneath. And then this one has the upgraded spa shower. So you're gonna have a really large shower. I'm a bath girl, but a lot of people love showers. So again, you're gonna have the light there. And then let's go look at the other wing. Okay, so once you get to upstairs, if you head to the other side of the wing, you're gonna have 2 additional bedrooms. I love this little added step up. So one of the bedrooms, I would say this is your smaller bedroom. This one's gonna have just the bypass doors. And then it's pre-wired for a ceiling fan or light if you want that. And then the other bedroom is gonna have a walk-in closet. So this one's gonna have the mountain facing view. You can see those mountains, and then a good size walk-in closet that you could have custom built out. I guess I love custom cabinets. And then off this bedroom is gonna be your secondary bathroom. This one's gonna have the tub shower combination, which is great for anyone that likes to take a bath like me. And then you have double sinks, his and hers, or whoever wants to share the bathroom. Let's go take a look in the backyard. So in Summerlin, you do have to have your backyard done within a year. This home, the backyard's already done for you, which is really great to avoid dust. You have the slider here and then also up the kitchen. So open it up, make it all one, and then some simple turf with some desert oasis landscaping. And this is the perfect low maintenance backyard. You have your large pavers so you can walk, and it leads you to the gate, which is going to be to the garage side. Priced just over $1.1 million for brand new construction, this move-in ready TriPointe home is becoming very rare in the Grand Park Village. Move-in ready homes mean you are not gambling on interest rates, Vegas style. If you want to set up a private showing, reach out to me directly at the information below. My name is Amy Arbelli with the Arbelli team, and I will see you on the next tour.